Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your trusted space for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest debates in the nutrition world: raw diet versus cooked diet. Which is healthier? If you've ever wondered whether raw or cooked foods are better for your body, stick around because we're breaking it all down. Let's start with the raw diet. This approach focuses on eating unprocessed, uncooked foods. Think fresh fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds. Advocates of raw diets say cooking destroys vital nutrients and enzymes that support digestion and overall health. And there's truth to this. Certain nutrients like vitamin C and folate are heat sensitive, meaning cooking can break them down. Plus, raw foods are naturally high in water content, which helps with hydration, and they're typically low in calories, making them great for weight management. But here's where the cooked diet comes in strong. Cooking actually unlocks nutrients in some foods. Take tomatoes for example. When cooked, their lycopene levels increase, a powerful antioxidant linked to heart health. Cooking also softens tough fibers in veggies like carrots and spinach, making certain nutrients more accessible to your body. And let's not forget, cooking can kill harmful bacteria and pathogens, making your meals safer to eat, especially with animal products or certain veggies like potatoes. So, which is healthier? The truth is, it's not about choosing one or the other. Both raw and cooked diets have their strengths. Raw foods provide freshness and hydration, while cooked foods often deliver better nutrient absorption and safety. The real magic happens when you combine the two. A diet that includes both raw and cooked foods ensures you're getting the best of both worlds: maximum nutrients, variety, and satisfaction. For example, enjoy raw salads packed with leafy greens, cucumbers, and peppers for a dose of fresh vitamins. Pair that with a warm bowl of steamed broccoli or roasted sweet potatoes for optimal nutrient absorption. Balance is key. At the end of the day, the healthiest diet is the one that works for your body and fits your lifestyle. Incorporate both raw and cooked foods into your meals, and you'll fuel your body with the variety and nutrients it needs to thrive. Here at Health Options 101, we're all about empowering you to make informed, balanced choices for your health. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves food as much as you do. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthy, delicious future. See you next time and have a great day ahead.